Alright, so today's class we are going to look at the parts of the flowers and the functions. So actually we taught this in the class, and so we're going to identify the various parts now. Alright, so you can view through your magnifying glass. So let's start with this part. This yellowish part is the what? This yellow.
Answer.
That's the what? Answer. So what what supports it is called what? The red part that supports it is called what?
Filament.
The filament. It's called what? Stigma. Can you remind me the function of the stigma? It collects the what? It receives the what? The pollen grain. Well, that's correct. So what about this that supports the stigma? It's called the style. Alright?
Yes.
And the style connects the stigma to the what?
Ovary.
Ovary. Good. So what about this reddish part? What's it called?
Petals.
The petals. Usually colorful, right?
Yes.
So what's the function of the petals?
To attract insects for pollination.
Very good. That's smart. So what's this greenish thing here? What's it called? What does it do?
It protects these petals.
The petals. That's great. Okay, now we've actually cut open into this flower. So let's view the inside. So let's want to see the inside of the ovary. So what is contained inside the ovary? The what? The eggs or what? Or the ovum. Alright, very good. Alright, so thank you for today's class. See you next time.